Very good morning, Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers, and all my near and dear friends. I am Aqdas from Class 12 Science, and it's my pleasure to speak on this momentous occasion on behalf of my class. So finally, the day has come. The day has come when this school and batch of 2022 are going to bid and say goodbye to each other. The journey we have shared since the last 2 years has been no less than a roller coaster ride. Standing on this podium today, I recall my first day of school when I could not recognize any of faculty or nor my friends. Allow me to share my experience about this school with you all. When I first joined this school, I was nervous. I was quite introvert just because it was all new to me. But I must say that the teachers, staff, and my dear fellows of this school has made me the person who is able to stand here and even dare to speak these words. First of all, I would like to thank our respected principal sir, Dr. Zahid Khan sir, for being forever supporting arm for this school, who gave me this opportunity to speak on this momentous occasion. Special thanks to my class teacher, Dr. Dharmendra Kumar, who had become my eternal source of inspiration, not only for these 2 years, but I believe for my lifetime. Farewell is the only day in our students' life where will be both happiness and sadness as well. A farewell is the end of our students' life, but not end of our relationships and bonds that we have built over the years. Really, school is the second home and teachers are the second parents, and here all proves. Now let us take a moment to recognize our teacher on this very special day. Faculties and teachers who have pushed us toward excellence, but in the most generous and compassionate way. They never once complained about the hardship they had faced during the sessions. But we students just want to say that we see it and very much appreciate it. Whenever we needed any kind of guidance or advice, you never disappointed us. You always resolve our doubts and queries. In fact, you all are become our friends. For that, on behalf of thousands of us, thank you so much. For my subject teachers, thank you so much, respected DK sir, Vakil sir, Naseem sir, Saima ma'am, and Fatima ma'am for being motivating, cooperative, and humble throughout the session. And now, I must say that if book contains the true knowledge, then teachers are the key to acquire that knowledge. Thank you to lovely juniors who have showered us with so much love and inspired us with their enthusiasm. And lastly and finally, thank you to my beloved friends, the batch of 2022, for making these past 2 years a period of full of love, joy, and memories. I don't know about you all, I'm gonna miss all of this. I will really miss the time period that I have spent here. In the end, I want to thank you all once again and promise on behalf of all the students that we will display the skills, ethics, and proficiency that you all have taught us in future and make you feel proud. Thank you so much for listening me and best of luck.
Next.
जैसे पहनाया जाएगा ना तो सारे तालियां बजा दें। शूटिंग तो कर दे।
ताली बजा दो
ताली। पीछे वाले तो बजा ही नहीं रहे।
नंदू के नाना ने नंदू की नानी को नंद नगरी में नागिन दिखाई। नंदू के नाना ने नंदू की नानी को नंद नगरी में नागिन दिखाई। नंदू के नाना ने नंदू की नानी को नंद नगरी में नागिन दिखाई। नंदू के नाना ने नंदू की नानी को नंद नगरी के अंदर नागिन दिखाई। ओके, थैंक यू।